All right, welcome everyone. Well, the week has started. The week has started and everybody's glad. All right, let's check out NQ. Almost at market open. I have no positions or whatsoever. So I am just gonna wait and I'm gonna check my quant hour if everything is working out as it should. All right, everything is fine. So let's see what's happening. Well, we are in uncharted territory, so hard to say. Very, very, very hard to say. I'm just hovering on the 5-minute charts here, and yeah, nothing so far. We are basically in the middle of nowhere. If they want to sell this, we have a little bit of a fair value gap on the 1 hour. On the upside, well, I don't know where the next target could be. I would say the next target would be at 20k for a Nasdaq, but yeah, who knows? In the meantime, I'll go with this, and that's it. 18,000 is here. What a run last week. Wow. Last week was really interesting. Well, let's see. What is happening? Nothing, guys. Absolutely nothing. Nothing that I can think of. We have a low here from Sunday open. Basically, this is a Sunday open range. Almost went down to retest the 18k. So it's kind of like an Asia low, but it's not. But anyway, then price went back up there. Let's see the highs here. The high is 49.50 and 49.25, so almost relative equal highs. Anything can happen, guys. This is really the part when we just have to wait and see, because I have no targets on the upside right now. I mean, the next target that I would say, just go for the whole numbers in uncharted territory. So next target would be 100, then 500, 19k, then 20k. But we all know that's not gonna happen in this morning. And we don't have any news, I think. Yeah, nothing there. We have, what do we have? FOMC member speaking today. Otherwise, it's typically not the best day to trade. I mean, some moves can happen after the London Open. I just don't know where or which direction. Joey, good morning. And to you, Joplas, thank you for dropping by. How was your weekend? And Marco, wow. Guys, welcome. How was your weekend, guys? Hope everybody had a good weekend. And guys, we are basically really at uncharted territory. We don't know where to go. No idea. No idea. We could be seeing some consolidation on these high levels, even if before it wants to drop down or whatever. I have no signs of anything here. Patience is the key, as always. Hey there, Maverick. No trades. No, absolutely. That's a RSI indicator. That is a RSI from Lux Algo. It's a free indicator, technically. It's an RSI. I'm not using it specifically to enter trades, so this is not a rule for me. I just want to see some kind of a movement. I mean, I just want to see... no, not just see. I just want to get an extra feeling where price is at right now, so that I can anticipate if we're gonna have a retracement or pullback or anything. So I have no specific rule for this, technically, for this RSI, but it helped me to wait for the optimal entry. It's a free indicator. It's called Lux Algo Ultimate RSI. That's the name of it. Lux Algo Ultimate RSI. It's free. I think I just tweaked the settings a little bit. I think. Let me. I have the 13 length and the smooth signal line is at 10. That's all. That's all. So, no entry, no nothing, uncharted territory, guys. No idea where we can go. If we go out to the 1 hour, we do have some targets, fair value gaps, both on NQ, Russell, and also on EL. ES has some nice sell side liquidity down at 5,013-ish level. As you can see, if we would zoom this out to 5-minute chart, this would be a lot of relative equal lows here. So who knows? But it's technically flat out right now. London is open, but as you can see, not much is happening. So I'm looking for the Russell. Again, I know nobody trades it. I'm aware of it. None of you guys are really interested in the Russell. I do, because I do make some good trades with it sometimes. I can see that this go down into the, I mean, below the 2010s. But so far, nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So let's just wait. Silver bullet hour is on. By the way, guys, tomorrow I'm not going to be streaming London session. I have a very important job to do tomorrow besides trading, and there's going to be no London stream tomorrow morning. But I'll be back for the New York stream. Or maybe earlier, I don't know. But no London stream tomorrow morning. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-bum, bum, bum, ba-bum, bum, bum. I don't usually like to skip a stream, especially because it's my main job. But tomorrow I have something else to do and I cannot push it anywhere else. By the way, the 80% Apex sale is still on. Just saying, until tomorrow. So grab your Apex accounts. Okay. Russell. Guys, I wish I could tell you that there's a trade coming up, but there's nothing. Absolutely nothing, guys. Nothing. No targets. I mean, the only target would be Friday high at 71, but and I'm not saying we cannot continue. What is the one in trading? Yeah. No, I actually have to go to, believe it or not, I have to go to a court hearing. I have to go to a court because I'm a witness. That's all I can tell you guys. I've been summoned by the court. and I cannot say that I won't go because I have to stream. The judge will be pissed off if I don't appear at the court. The judge will be pissed off. I didn't do anything bad. I'm just summoned to. They need to hear my testimony. That's it. Nothing special, by the way. I should be done in 20 minutes, but it's gonna be at 9:30 at my time, so it's basically right in the middle of the silver bullet hour, so I cannot be here. I cannot be here. All right, let's see what else. No, guys, I have no entries. Unfortunately, no entries. I would say we have something on the Russell, maybe. That would be interesting, to be honest. What will they do? Well, if I won't go, I might get a penalty or something. I don't know. I don't know, man. I could get a penalty. Or, you know, who knows? I'm a witness. I'm a witness in a case. Witness? Well, yeah, that's the best word I can get. I'm technically a witness, and I have to provide some evidence in a case. Yeah, it's like a case from 7 or 8 years ago. I thought that this case is technically it's non-existent anymore, but still. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into details. Interesting, but I have to be there, so. Bureaucracy. All I can tell you, bureaucracy. The bureaucracy of the system. Okay, I'm just hovering all around. I don't know what I'm doing. We have no trades, guys. Absolutely no trades. Yeah, I think this session might end up with having no trades, guys. By the way, check out my latest video, and I just uploaded my mini course. It's at peep.ninja. Check it out. I know it's for money. Yes, it's only $49 plus tax if you have tax for digital content in your country. It's not up to me. It's by the law of your own country. It's for $49, and it's a mini course. It's about 1 hour long with all the modules together. It's about an hour, maybe less, like 50 minutes. And I explain a lot of detail about how to use this system that I use. Basically, that's it. And yeah, what else can I say? I'm using it. I have to do some digital marketing, guys, if I want to make some living besides trading, because I'm not on that level yet. I'm on the journey, but I'm still not there yet. But I'm already copy trading between multiple accounts. I have funded account with TOPSTEP. I'm building up my account with BULENOX and Apex, so it's gonna be fine. It takes some time. Hold on, I have to make a quick phone call because we're just waiting. All right, I'm here. So nothing has happened. Seemed like that Russell might be changing some direction. I don't know. NQ seems like good morning, Serdar. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, so we're just struggling in one place. Nothing is moving. Nothing is moving, guys. I wish I could tell you otherwise. I mean, if we can see some clear targets or anything, and well, let's just wait. ES is also like consolidation, guys. It's consolidation all morning. I don't know if we're gonna get some kind of liquidity around there. It seems like it wants to go for the highs again, take out maybe Friday's high. Could be a possibility, but I don't see anything specific on the 1 minute that I'd like to see. I mean, the only thing that we can take is this 5-minute fair value gap if you guys want to jump in and go for the 71. I just don't see enough volume or momentum to go for it. Money for the masses. Hey, happy Monday. You're long on NQ. Okay, well, as I said, it's a possibility you can use this 5-minute fair value gap if you guys want to go long. But honestly, well, yeah. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. Hard to tell what price wants. We're too high, but I don't know. There's no movement, guys. We're in the silver bullet hour, but no movement. So let's see. Money for the masses says just had a false break of VWAP. Okay, then retest, and now we are pushing. Yeah, technically yes. Yes. Apex reactivate my trader weight accounts. They didn't say why they revoked my. I think it's because, but it is just somebody said on a Discord. It's because they changed some database on their website. Because you may already know it, their website is finally has been updated. Everything is brand new. So some rumors were circulating that they have to, just wash everything together with the database and trade weight and the website and the dashboard and everything. So it had to do something with updating their website mainly. So I don't know. That was the main reason, but it's not confirmed. It's just a rumor that it had to do something with their website and database. That's it. So one thing is for sure, never short all-time highs. Oh yeah, have to be careful shorting. Not saying don't, but if you go short, you better make sure that you're going with your entry model, or you're going with your specific entry model that, I mean, your rules. just go by the rules. Trade with your plan. Go with your analysis. Just be careful and do not oversize your position. Even if you lose, you can use small portions, but do not oversize. NQ stuck here. The Russell is changing direction again. Seems like it. Seems like it. I just don't know. So 16.8. Okay. Okay. Hold on, I just got short on the Russell. Now you guys don't go short on the Russell, so don't follow me. This is just a probe trade. So everybody be calm. This is just a probe trade. I'm not even sending it out to the signal group. This is just a probe trade here. Nothing specific, nothing extra. Yeah. Another thing I was looking for, but it is a tiny little small position. Do not go short on Russell. I'm just testing out an entry. I hit my daily apex, 30% consistency target. There is no pressure. Very good, Serdar. That's the way to go, actually. That's the way to go. Nice, nice, nice. That's actually nice. I'm checking for some entries on other markets, but there's really none. So I might going to close this with the tiny small loss here. I don't like how Russell moves. I thought that I'm gonna see some drop here to the 1 hour fair value gap, but I might not going to see that. So I'm still going to wait a little bit, not too much. But I think I should close it right here. Yeah. So no entries on NQ for sure, and the Russell is faking out, so I don't like this. So I closed it. And what else do we have? The ES is not moving. I'm checking my other charts. Yeah, ES is sideways as well on the 5 minute. So nothing. You use EMA 250 and 50 is well, I mean, they are classical, so they're good. They're considered to be quite trustworthy. I mean, depends on your strategy, but yeah. Now, so far, I think we just have to wait. I did a small loss here, not a big deal, but it's fine. So I'm not going to force anything. I just have to wait. I wonder if we're gonna have some kind of a move in the trend or whatever. It might be just going to chop around here. And I think that's what's gonna happen. We're just gonna chop around here. But I would put my bet that NQ wants to go higher and take out a little bit more highs. Yeah, sure. The reason why I tried to short it, but I did not send it out to my signal group as well, because I wanted to make sure that I'm seeing it correctly, but it wasn't a clear signal. And that's why I told you guys do not take it, because it's most likely. I'm going to show you. The reason is that my custom RSI How can I show you? Like this. So my customer SI, this is Russell, and my customer SI was changing direction from the bullish to the bearish side here, and I had a fair value gap there, and the moving averages were started to expand here at this point. So that's why I thought I'm gonna just try it out with a small entry here at this point. I haven't even sent it out to Signal or anything, and I went in with micro, so just a little bit of micro here, and stop loss was here. I closed it manually actually, so my stop loss was around this level. So when it started to go up in this move, I closed it manually here because I was hoping, and I'm gonna show you on the 1 hour chart. I was hoping, and I was watching this gap here. So I was just looking for a drop to go down to the 1 hour fair value gap, down to the 2010s, and just, you know, dump down. So all I was waiting for a valid entry to enter, and I entered and stopped me out, and that was my only reason. So nothing extra here, nothing specific. This RSI was also in the bullish territory, turned back down a little bit, but it wasn't that strong. That's why I only entered with a very, very small size. I think I lost like $30 on it or something. Makes sense. It and double bottom when you took the trade, so essentially a sensible. Yeah. So wanted to make sure that it goes right, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So I didn't even send it out to the Signal group. Because this was a low probability entry. Now, if this one would change structure, then that would be interesting. Zoltán Balog, jó reggelt. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. And you guys deserve an applause. You guys deserve an applause. Everybody deserves an applause. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to push the like button. And, you know, check out my new course with the strength following system I'm using to enter some trades. Small mini course for $49, up to you. It has rejected VWAP now though, so I could be interested in a short on the Russell if it breaks. Yeah, it could be a possibility, but since I need a structure break too, I'm gonna wait. So I'm definitely going to wait, and until the meantime, I'm going to wait for the next possible entry. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Let me know what you guys are up to. Just give me a second. I'm updating some stuff here. What are you guys up to? Slow grind, absolutely. Now, at least NQ starting to move. Again, I think it's going to take out this high at 71. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. I have no entry, so I'm just going to wait. Sent out nothing to nowhere yet. Slow grind. Long Russell of the session lows. Well, could be a possibility. Everything is congested pretty much on the Russell right now. I want to see a clear move first. My probe trade, so-called probe trade, didn't turn out that good, so I'm definitely going to wait. So it's the waiting game, guys. It's the waiting game. It is the waiting game. All right. What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? Nothing. Got in and 2017. Already in profit. Nice. Very good. Well, as I said, I had no entry criteria on Russell right now, so I'm definitely on the waiting game right now. And there's not much else I can do at this moment. So just waiting. We are waiting, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just watching some updates. I trade price action. So it's a little more subjective. Yeah. It's all right though. I mean, whatever makes you money, whatever makes you dollar, whatever makes you the dough, guys. That's all that matters. At the end of the day, that's all that matters. Whatever makes your profits. I have no entry, but if you have some entry based on your criteria, hey, whatever floats your boat, you know. The main thing is to make the profits. I wish I could tell I see something here, but you know, if somebody is really aggressive and you want to go for it to the highs, you could have had an entry here on the NQ right there. I didn't, so that's why I'm still waiting. Also checking, well, there's not much else here. The Russell can go up, of course. It can still go to highs. Let me see, by the way, the Russell still has some historical highs to be broken, so it still has some room to go, especially to break higher to above the 26s, and then even go higher. Who knows? Even to 61. That's a possibility, so why not? There's a chance there. There is a chance there for it to go. Yeah, at 219. I have nothing. It could be a choppy morning. And hard to tell. Session high. NQ is a good trade for that. Yeah, if you guys want to go with it, you can try. NQ is going down into that gap, so if you want to get a second entry, you can get it here. Russell is down there. Still waiting, guys. Still waiting. It's the waiting game. But it can go for making a new high again. Who knows what's in the mind of the market. So, by the way, tomorrow is the last day to grab your discount with Apex. So, if I were you, I would check into it. Because it's still a pretty good deal to get your 80% discount. Just use my codes and links. But I don't see anything yet. I'm just, no signals, no nothing. This is still not my entry. I mean, technically, there could have been a little bit of a fair value gap here on the Russell to go for it. I think it still haven't decided yet. Looks like bullish flag to take out these highs at 26. That can be happening. I'm not saying it won't, but could be logical. But no logic in the market nowadays. I mean, there was, because it took out the highs, but who knows? In the meantime, we're just gonna wait. It's just a waiting game. So let's wait. Let's wait. And see what's gonna happen here. Guys, this is just a typical, Monday. Nothing is really moving, and as much as I would like to see a possible trade, it's just hard to spot in these conditions. So it gives us a little bit of a hard time, to say the least. NQ actually took out a little bit. Well, it's reacting to this order block. NQ right here. There's an order block at 53, so I think we have a reaction right there. But nothing extra. ES is also backing down. We're ranging at the midnight range. Ranging in the midnight range. Okay. That was interesting to say. Ranging at the midnight range. Well, that's why patience is the key. But I would definitely like to see the Russell take out this high. It's a significant high right there. Well, not that significant, but still from January. I like this spot up there as a buy side liquidity, maybe possibility. Yeah, and also there is one more buy side I like on the Russell at 34 right there. I do like that level, so I'm just gonna mark it out to right here. Okay, let me know what you guys think, what you guys are doing, what you guys are up to. Seems like we have a structure shift on the short opportunity. Guys, if anybody wants to go short, maybe this is your opportunity. I'm not taking a short right now. I'm just gonna wait, but it looks perfect. Actually, I'm tempted to jump in, but it looks really nice. Really, really nice. But it wants to go up. So this is your perfect short opportunity. Well, almost perfect, like 90% good. Perfect market structure shift. Target down, sell side liquidity, final TP should be at 32.50. I think it's beautiful. You have almost like a 1 to 2 risk reward here. Technically a 1 to 2 risk reward. It doesn't really get any better than this, guys. I'm not calling it out because I don't know, but it is a short opportunity right here. Double top at 49. Will tell us, yeah. Yeah. I mean, it took out these equal highs, made a sweep, took out this liquidity there, changing structure. I think we have all the chance for this to drop down. So you guys should consider it, you know, as a possibility. You guys should be considering it. What the heck is this music? It's on to you. It's on to you. Yeah. Low volume, guys. This is just typical low volume. I did not take this trade. Just saying. I'm not in this, but it's a perfect ICT 2022 short entry. I mean, nothing is ever perfect, of course, but it looks really nice. It looks really, really awesome. Like inversion gap technically, fair value gap again here, liquidity swept, you know, everything aligned here. This would be almost like an A+ entry. So the reason why I did not take it, I can't explain. My gut feeling just tells me to wait. I had a small little loss on the Russell and I just want to wait. Even if I'm out of this trade, it's not a problem, because if it goes up again, I might be jumping into another long. I might just want to leave this one out for now, but that doesn't mean it cannot work out. So you know, it's up to you. It's up to you. Up to you guys. By the way, you can check out my latest video about my results from last week. So last week was awesome. I didn't really thought that I'm gonna make this good of a week. The signals were great. Over 4% in technically a week. That was too good to be true. If we make 1% in a week, that would be even too good to be true, but we made 4. Well, yeah, actually more than 3. So BULENOX account almost reached 1.8% in a week. by risking only $100. So that was really good. I wasn't expected that good. I was aiming for to make at least $300 to $500 net on the BULENOX account, but it got way better. So okay, nothing yet so far. By the way, I'm gonna check the codes at BULENOX right now, because I know there was a discount on the weekend. I'm just not sure it's still on. But Apex definitely has a discount. Okay, so there's an 83% discount on BULENOX, but only for the option 1 accounts. Just saying. Just saying. So also visit pip.ninja. The website has been updated. It's technically a video which I made for some of you guys. If you are interested in my mini course, it's for $49 plus tax if your country demands tax for digital content. But it's $49 net, and check out the video. Decide if you want to grab it or not. I explain how I managed to pull this indicator system to the profitable side. But and of course it gives you lifetime Discord access also, and that's it. It's like the mini course is like 50 minutes long altogether with the modules. Not that difficult. It's really simple. Some real simple basics, but only if you consider to use MetaTrader, or if not MetaTrader, I explain what can you do with TradingView. But for now, I mostly traded with MetaTrader. I mean, the signals came from the MetaTrader indicator, but just for your consideration. Okay. Still hovering there. Don't see anything special. NQ is doing his job, so we might be reaching the sell side down there at 32, which I guess is a good thing. Or who knows? ES is in a consolidation. Guys, this is not gonna be the sharpest London session, that's for sure. We all know that by now. We all know that. This is not gonna be the best London session. VRC, good morning, good morning. Guys, I'm so happy that everyone is here. Push the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And let me ask again, how was your weekend, VRC, by the way? Hope everyone had a good weekend rest. I was sleeping on Sunday as long as I could. I was sleeping until maybe it was like almost 9:30 a.m. or it was like 10 a.m., something like that. I was sleeping a lot. I was sleeping a lot on Sunday, which was a good thing, because I don't usually sleep that much. All right. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. No entries so far. Well, at least not something that I like. NQ can still go up for Friday's high. It's not too far, 30 points. ES is also in no man's land right now. So wonder what's gonna happen. Where can we go from here? Opened up for suggestions. Let me know what you guys think, because I'm eager to hear some opinions. Bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum. Yep. So this entry, so if someone just dropping in, this entry I did not take, but we called it out. It's an inversion gap on the 1 minute as well. And we had a beautiful displacement too, so it really looks juicy and nice on the NQ. Took out relative equal highs here, here, and here. And also swept this liquidity over there. And it made a perfect displacement, market structure shift right there. Here. Bearish market structure shift. And now we're heading down there. Sell side liquidity should be somewhere at 3250-ish level. So it's a very good risk reward trade. And so if somebody is interested to take it, you can still go in with a 1-to-1 if you manage proper risk. Or if you properly manage risk. Otherwise, be careful. We're pretty much having a very low volume London session right now. No major news events. So just have to wait. I was also watching Russell too, but on Russell I want to see new highs, or this high actually be taken out. And you know, none of you guys basically trade Russell, but I want to see the 2025 level being taken out here. That's what I'm aiming for. And yeah, otherwise there's nothing really. It's a slow morning. ES is in a barcode chart right now. As you can see, even on the 5 minute, maybe it's gonna sweep below 40. Yeah, somewhere below 40.50. Maybe go down to 38. That's a way, but no entry there. NQ is still holding. So I definitely wouldn't say this is the best session. So let's just stick to the plan, and we have to wait. Nothing else we can do. I have no signals in the signal group as well sent out, because what I had on Russell was a pretty low probability trade. I had a small loss there, really a small one, but I purposefully did not send it out to the group. Ravish, hey there, hi. In your opinion, what is amazing percentage gain per month on your account consistently? I think per month, if you can make an average 2 to 3%, that is an amazing result constantly. Again, so you can be having like a month of, for example, 6%, and then you can be having a negative 3%. The thing is that, for example, on a 3-month average, I'm always saying, like, you have to look at least 3 months, at least 3 months average. So on a 3 months average, you can make 2 or 3% per month on average. You are doing great. You are doing just as good as hedge funds. I mean, I know it sounds stupid to say, and some way it's stupid to say because this is nothing compared to be working with a hedge fund, but still, if you can make 2 to 3% in a month on average, again, that's good. Although I understand if you're trading with small capital, I know it's not too much, but imagine if you have like 2 or 3 or 4 50k or 100k funded accounts, for example. If you're funded with I'm not even gonna say how many accounts, but if you have, like, for example, 200k in funded capital, right? So 1% of 200k is, of course, $2,000. And so if you can make $4,000 to $6,000 per month, I think that could be helping out a lot of people, even in today's world. An extra $4,000 to $6,000 per month. So my answer is, yeah, 2 to 3. But if you're just break even, for example, if you're break even on an average of 3 months, but you didn't lose capital, that is still a huge achievement. Zoltán, thank you for being here. Köszönöm, hogy itt voltál. Szép napot. Thank you. Fellow Hungarian trader. Yeah, 3% is amazing and realistic. All gurus on YouTube promote double digits per month. Yeah, thanks. See you tomorrow. Viszlát. Holnap nem leszek. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be streaming, guys. Just saying. Tomorrow, no London stream. Tomorrow, no London stream. I have obligations, but I'll be on New York. See you guys. But I'm still here. But anyway, tomorrow, no London stream. Just saying. Yeah, 3% is amazing and realistic. All gurus, yeah, double digits. I know everywhere is that you can make 10, 20. I mean, you can make 10% per month. For a month. That's not unrealistic, but for every month making 10%, I'm not saying it's impossible, but you have to be really good. You really have to be on your best mental capacity to achieve that. And it really takes a toll on you mentally to push it for. It's no matter if you have 10k in capital or a million K. I mean, for example, if you have $1 million in capital, let it be funded capital, who cares? Making 10% per month average, dude, that's stressful. That's stressful. That's my opinion. I'm not saying it's impossible, but you know, the main goal is to protect the capital, right? So, but even if you have a 50k account, for example, you have a 50k funded account, and you make 1% is $500, right? So you make 3%, that's $1,500 or $1,500. I think for many people, even $1,500 is a very good side income, or helps out the budget. And you don't have to risk too much for that. You can go with risking $100 per trade or $80 or you name it. So you don't have to go risking $500 or $1,000 per trade to achieve that. You can go slow. Look at this. NQ wants to go up. I'm not in this trade, by the way. If any of you guys are interested if I'm in this, I'm not in this trade. I was talking about this when we called it out, that I'm not taking this short trade. I had my reasons, but I'm not in this trade. So I told this from the very first moment that we saw this, that this was such a bullish movement and we still haven't taken out some highs. I wanted to wait, but if you guys want to take it here again, you're welcome to do so. I'm not taking it. And by the way, if anyone is new here, please consider to subscribe, push the like button, and if you're interested how I got funded, which system did I use, and which is the system that I use every day, and check out my latest video about my last week's results, go to paper.ninja. That's a course there only for $49 plus tax if your country demands a tax on digital courses. It's $49, and it's a 50-minute mini course. It's not changing the world, but I explain in details how I use MetaTrader indicators, custom indicators, how I achieved my results that helped me to get funded, pull out money from TOPSTEP, all these things. And I'm still using it in everyday trading. Basically, it's my main entry model, and you can get details if you go for the course. Okay, that was the commercial. Visit pip.ninja and check it out. Check out the video, and you can get a lifetime access to Discord as well, to the Signal group as well. Somebody subscribed. Sasha, hey there, welcome. Welcome as a new subscriber. Thank you for joining to the channel. So by the way, the Discord does have a Signal channel, but it's still under development. I'm not saying that you have to take those signals, anyone who joins, because that's not the goal, to take every signal. It gives you a little bit of an extra information of which kind of trades are we aiming for. So I'm not even sending out every trade for Discord. But last week, check out my latest video. It's my last, I just uploaded it yesterday, so it's my latest video. Check out, we had an awesome week. It's actually much better results than I was expecting for last week. So do not think that we are doing 4% every week. But I do say that 2% average, since I'm testing the system, we made 2% average per week since November with the indicators on FTMO test server and with the TOPSTEP accounts. But maybe I should revise it, because I don't want anyone to think that this is something which is guaranteeing to make 2% every week, but because it all depends on your personal discipline and trade mentality. If you take every signal that the system gives you, you're going to lose money, I guarantee you. But that's why just checking out the Discord and taking those signals blindly is good, because we were in profit. But you have to understand why are we taking those. So that's why I'm saying it's a good thing if you want to check my new course. It's only $49, so we are all spending money for prop firms and all kind of stuff. So anyway, that was the commercial break, guys. And yeah, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Let me know what you guys are doing. Riedel, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you there. Good morning, good morning. Just an update for anyone who's jumping in. I'm not in this trade. We were just talking about this, that it actually swept the relative equal highs here and swept some liquidity here. So this was like a YouTube 2022 short entry, but I did not take it because I'm still sensing, my gut feeling told me that we're still going for some new highs, and I did not take this trade. So Have to state it out. I did not send it to the Signal group. I did not call it out. We were just talking about it. So if some of you guys took this, I'm sorry about your drawdown, but I lost the trade this morning on Russell, so there you go. I don't know. This is it. This is trading, guys. Camille, hey there. Fading me. I did not take this trade. Gamecraft. I'm not in this trade. Again, I'm repeating myself. I did not take this trade. We just talked about it about like 40 minutes ago or something like that. 30 minutes ago. We talked about this trade. That it looks very good for a short. But I'm not in this trade. Please don't go away. Please just like my stream. And, you know, I need you guys. I need you guys so badly. And by the way, I'm just joking. I hate Monday is very bad. Just an update for you guys. Tomorrow there won't be a London stream. I have official obligations to do. I'm not streaming tomorrow in London session, but I'll be back for the New York session tomorrow. So it's good that you guys are here. No London stream again tomorrow. Tomorrow there's no London stream. All hands, all hands. No London stream tomorrow. All right. But I'll be back for New York. I have a court hearing. Is that what it's called? I've been summoned by the court as a witness, so I have to go to a court hearing. And I cannot be here. I cannot be here, guys. Unfortunately. Oh, guys, this is like... this morning is like... not ideal. And I gotta tell you that NQ was a little bit tricky. Was a little bit tricky, that's for sure. The only thing I'm hoping for is that maybe, just maybe, Russell could be taking out the buy side at 26. That would be something that I would like to see. But I don't know if that is going to happen or not. So we're just gonna wait. And wait, and wait some more. Tom selling the ganja part-time to afford. Oh my god. Dude, I like that. I like that. Well, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? But if I don't go, the judge is gonna be mad. So I have to go. Yeah. I like that. Camille always pushing this. I like the jokes. I like the jokes, Camille. Is it really a joke? Who knows? Oh man. Now they summon you to court and yeah. Oh man. I'm not gonna talk myself out of this. So typical, right? Anyway, it is what it is. So I cannot be here with you guys tomorrow in the London session, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna be here in New York. This is gonna be the first time since a while that I'm skipping a London session, because this is my bread and butter. No, it's really not that bread and butter, but having many of you guys being here with me in the London session, so I'm gonna unfortunately be skipping this tomorrow, but at least you guys know about it. But I'll be here in New York, guys. I'll be here in New York, and today as well. I'll be back in the New York session, so yeah. Just tell the judge you perform and trade better when you. That is just awesome. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Maybe I will do that. You know what? I'm gonna tell him, listen, the honorable court, please understand that I am a much better trader and I have something to, you know. Oh man, I like that. That was cool. That was cool. Unfortunately, it's too late to call it out by now, but anyway, there was an opportunity on the Russell. It was a risky one right here. Okay, so NQ still a little bit bullish. Let's see. Not much is happening, guys. I wish I could tell you otherwise, but NQ playing mind games right now. Russell is still going up, but who knows? So we are just going to wait. Okay, all right. Crypto Panda, good morning. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you on this beautiful, fine London morning with no volume? Actually, I don't even know if there are any other trades that we want to take. By the way, there's a YouTube 2022 entry right here in front of us. Right here. Bearish market structure shift. Right there. Fair value gap. Guys, this is the short opportunity. Liquidity sweep, well, not too much, but it can still be good for a short. I'm not taking this trade, just saying. Okay, we're waiting, guys. I wish I could tell you otherwise, but there's just nothing to happen. Nothing happens. Nothing really. ES is not moving. No structure shift. Nothing. NQ unpredictable. I'm not going to jump in here. I don't like it. There's nothing for me to like here, to be honest. I wish I can tell you otherwise, but there's really nothing, guys. There's nothing. Anyway, seems like we're gonna go for a higher high, but it is what it is. No trades for me in this session. Anyways, check out my new course, the system which I'm using and tested for months. Helped me to be a funded trader and helped me to get payouts from TOPSTEP. It's at pip.ninja. Go for it. And yeah, check it out. It's a 5-minute video. And yes, I'm still trading it, by the way. I have 2 positions opened up. Can I show this? So as you can see, I have 2 trades open. I'm just copy trading the BULENOX account. So this is the BULENOX account. I have a Russell long position from 2019. Only 4 micros, so not a big deal. As you can see, it's a very, very small position. And I copy trading it to an Apex evaluation account. So it's on Russell. So this is the BULENOX account. And this is Apex. So this is the trade that I'm in. But I did not send it to the Signal group, but I'm trading it. Yes, I'm trading the BULENOX. And I wanted to copy trade it to my TOPSTEP account too, but I don't want to trade on the funded account in the London session for now. Especially on Mondays. So these accounts I do want to build up. So these are my positions. So I'm long on the Russell. And this was my entry. And my take profit is up there. And the reason why I took the trade is because of my indicators that I use, and you can check it out at pip.ninja. This is why I entered. This right here. And the reason why I entered, I tell you all about it in my course. So go to pip.ninja, check it out. Yeah. So I'm trading BULENOX. I'm gonna give you. I'll do my best to trade it with the best risk management that I can do on it. Also, the Apex account, I'm gonna give an update, and hopefully, the goal is very simple. Actually, all I have to do is make $6,600 if we count the evaluation and the funded phase 2. So it's very simple. I'm just journaling it down. Profit wise, which are just numbers and it's all just virtual money. We just have to make $6,600 with BULENOX. It's very simple. It's not a big deal. Many of you guys made 3K before on funded accounts. Okay. Anyway, so I am not I'm not calling out any trade here. I don't have an entry on my trade following system as well. Nothing to go in for. And the kill zone is almost over. So guys, I think this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not streaming tomorrow in London. Tomorrow is gonna be an off day for me in London, but I'll be back today in New York and tomorrow in New York as well. But the tomorrow London session is gonna be off. But I'll be back in New York, so check out pip.ninja. It's I uploaded a brand new video. It's about my system. It's $49. It's a mini course, 50 minutes all together with the modules. Go check it out. You get access to the whole details, everything, indicators, the whole entry model, everything I explained there, and to the Discord server lifetime access. So you get a few stuff there. Check it out. It's brand new. I just made it this weekend, and it's not a big deal. It's nothing fancy. So $49 for the course, and that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And see you guys today in the New York session, and latest time tomorrow in the New York session. All right. Thank you again. Have an awesome morning or evening, and see you guys soon. Cheers.